Today's video is brought to you by Oxedo LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxedo LED lighting, and here is some after Oxedo LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxedo LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Here we're going on the off-road course, so pretty jazzed. We're next in line after these folks here, and I think it's going to be pretty sweet, so let's check it out.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it.
Not a problem.
I'm Orlando, by the way.
Orlando, pleasure to meet you. My name's Sean.
Nice to meet you as well, Sean.
Filming for YouTube, so
okay.
if you don't mind.
Yeah. All right, so yeah, this is our Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392. So under the hood, 6.4 liter V8 Hemi motor. So you get 470 horsepower, 470 pound-feet of torque, 8-speed automatic transmission. This one's got the Extreme Recon package on it. So it's got 35-inch tires with beadlock rims, steel skid plates underneath, rock rails for protection as well.
Set up.
Yeah. Alright, it's got front and rear camera.
Yeah, that can come in real handy on the trails.
Yeah, then if it gets a little mud on it or whatever, clean it off.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. 0-60, I believe it's 4.5 seconds.
Okay.
Yeah.
He's not shy.
No. It actually has you can open and close the throttle.
Oh, okay.
So if you don't want to wake the neighbors.
Right. We like them loud.
Yeah.
We got the big boy here.
Yeah. It does have a pitch and roll meter.
Oh,
Check
that's
out
sweet.
what's going on.
That's pretty tight.
You've probably seen it get to about, I think, 32, 33.
Okay.
Yeah.
I ain't messing around. I
And
mean,
it has something called select speed, so I can turn that on, and pretty much it's like a pro mode.
okay.
You know, pretty much do all the work for me, and it's got a steer.
Right.
And, you know, speed. You see the speed there change.
Okay. Holy. Yeah, that's sweet.
Yeah. Got going a little bit of a tilt.
A little bit.
About 30 there almost. For some reason that one and that one aren't the same.
Not quite calibrated.
I think this one's more calibrated.
You see a lot of sky and a lot of ground when you hit the bad boy.
Yeah, it's all about having that wide wheelbase.
Yeah.
Center of gravity.
Yeah. Don't mess around. I'm kind of new to the off-road world,
Okay.
so
That's cool.
yeah, guys got to learn sometime, you know. I do a lot of street car stuff and drag racing and whatnot, so got to branch out, you know.
Yeah, so one of the main things about having a Jeep, mainly with Rubicons, is the disconnectable sway bar.
Oh.
So a sway bar gives you more, disconnected, it gives you more articulation.
Right.
And these use solid axles. So one long solid axle front and rear, and then it disconnects that sway bar.
Okay.
That's how you get.
Right.
It's got front and rear lockers.
Maximizing traction.
Yeah, exactly. everything. We are in 4-low to maximize traction as well. And these are full-time 4-wheel drive, so there's no 2-wheel drive. You can use 4 auto. So yeah, with the part-time or the auto, it'll kind of, I think it's auto. It kind of knows when it needs to use it.
Right. You can tell if you're slipping or need a little extra.
Yeah.
Oh man, it's pretty sweet, and it's a nice interior too.
Well, heated seats, heated steering wheel, paddle shifters.
You got it all, man. Hey, I really appreciate it.
Take care, man.
Thank you. So that's what we were in, that Blue Boy right there. That was pretty sick. I mean, I saw a lot of sky and a lot of ground, a lot of tilt on those things. That was tight. That was real tight. He's going out again. They're just gonna do this all day long, take people out, so I love it. I love it. It really keeps all the traction to the ground. And these guys don't mess around. They get damn near sideways.